So guys, yes, right now I'm planning to select Intelco stock to trade. So I'll be selecting the Intelco stock and we'll see how the stock will perform.
Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel.
So guys, yes, today is November 3rd and the time is almost 9:14. And before we start our trading, I would like to wish everyone a happy Diwali. Okay, so happy Diwali for everyone. So now let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So coming to the pre-open market page, here you can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 17,947.93, that is 0.33% up. Advanced stocks are 36, declines are only 10, and unchanged is 4 stock. So these are the pre-open market has opened, and now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Bharti Airtel with 1.65% up and NTPC with 0.95% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Tata Motors with 0.83% down and ONGC with 1.14% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing.
And also guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, so the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you can go inside the blogspot, the link is in the description below of this video. So there's a lot of clients who has taken our course and now they are making consistent profit. So you can go through all of this earning proof, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. So you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this.
So guys, yes, right now I'm planning to select Intelco stock to trade. So I'll be selecting the Intelco stock and we'll see how the stock will perform today. So we'll be trading on Intelco today. Trying to buy Intelco in the market level. Okay, I should just quickly buy around 475 now. So I think the stock will go up now from here. So I just decided to buy it at 475. So you can see the previous day support and resistance level over here. So once it breaks the resistance of 475, it can go up. So that's why I decided to take a buy here. So let's see. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock is taking a bit time to go up, because in the market depth here you can see the total number of buyers are less and the sellers are actually more than double. Okay, so that's why it is doing some of a range bound actions are coming here, if you guys can see. But once that 475 gives a breakout, I think it should go up. I just bought it around 475, so we'll be targeting at least 0.5% target, that is 477 will be my target. So it is reaching 476 now. Yes, 476.25 35. Yes, 477 should touch now is what I'm feeling. Yes, 477 is touched. Yes, so as I said, you guys, you can't actually trade by seeing the market depth. Okay, so even if the buyers and sellers are like this, but the stock is giving a good breakout by seeing the support and resistance level, if you see that, so if that is giving a breakout, whatever the numbers are in this buyers and sellers, it can actually go reverse according to it. So this was an example for today. You can see there was only like 4 or 5 lakhs of buyers, and even now there are only 5 lakhs of buyers and 17 lakhs of sellers, more than double I can tell, and the stock is still going up. Okay, so yes, so my target has been met here. 477.25 is a high made. So yes, I shall take my exit now. So guys, yes, managed to take my exit around 477. So 2 rupees is the target. What I booked almost 0.5% of the target. I mean 0.5% of the stock, and you can see the market is at 0.40% up, and I think the stock can also go up. And if you guys can see, like the next resistance level somewhere is around 480 is the next resistance level, and 479. So if it's breaking 479, it can go up till there. So anyway, being safe is very important in intraday trading, so we should always follow the discipline and do not be greedy in intraday trading. So hit the percentage of target less, but be sure of hitting that. So yes, anyway, I booked 0.5% target, and today it was done. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit like this and want to learn all the strategies, you can join us now. And yes, now it is going up, so you can see the market depth is still like that, but the stock is performing to the upper side, so you can learn all of these things, so you can join us today.
I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.